This week on Makers Lab TV, we take a look at how essential services has impacted on our industry.
Hand sanitizing has become a way of life for all of us. The new foot-operated hand sanitizer in stores has become very popular, and some of them have to come with instructions, and that's where we come in this industry. The vinyl that we have chosen to use here is a greyback white printable vinyl, suitable for blocking out the black background of the stand to project the full color of what we are printing. It doesn't take much to apply the vinyl to the stand. There are two ways to do it. In this instance we used soapy water and a squeegee. Other ways you can just use dry application. Social distancing is now a part of our lives, and this directly impacts our industry, as we are able to do this in many creative ways, such as stickers for the floor.
With all the rules and health regulations now in place, opportunity has opened in the industry to help ensure compliance in workplaces and public areas.
What is nice about the sanitizer stands is that besides the instructions, it is perfect for branding as well. And that's how we are able to supply our customers with branded or unbranded hand sanitizer stands, and they absolutely love it. Another great idea for social distancing is printing on PVC Banner, like I did for the school project that we did. So my client came to me and said to me, no, I need a creative way or a fun way for the kids to remind themselves about social distancing. And the best solution I came up with was printing on PVC Banner. Little squares that the kids could stand on that had figurines of what they were doing, play ball, and they stood on these squares to remind themselves of the social distancing. So they did their activities on that square. There are many creative ways to ensure social distancing. And luckily, we have been very fortunate enough to be in this industry to ensure this.
In 2020, we celebrate 8 years in business, heading toward infinity and beyond. am.co.za. Achievement matters.